Good morning. Good morning, Vietnam. Good morning, Vietnam. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Fuzzies, burps. Good morning, everyone. Tom, aka Nostradamus, world's greatest economist. Ding, 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 ding. Lots of red. Let's just get into it. Lots of red. Woke up this morning, got myself a gun. I was actually excited. Check the price of Bitcoin. Waiting for Rumble. Sometimes Rumble takes a second, but it's possible I screwed it up. I'm gonna be pretty bummed if I screwed up Rumble this morning. Come on, it's not looking good. Anyway, see you red. Like I said, woke up this morning. I got myself a gun. Woke up this morning. I'm tired, man. I just took some more caffeine. I was excited. Check the price of Bitcoin. I must have screwed up Rumble. Gosh darn it. Do I start over? We got one viewer here. I'll just leave it going. How did I? Oh, you know what? I must have. Oh, it is working. Rumble's working. Hell yeah, bro. Today was a good day. I'm not gonna need my AK. Last night, Bitcoin started to move. Man, it does that at nighttime sometimes, but it never lasts. It lasted for like 2 minutes. But oh, Adrian in the house. How you doing, brother? So Bitcoin started pumping. It got to like 64.6. Then it pulled back, but it was still up at like 63 and a half. So I was kind of excited to wake up this morning thinking Bitcoin was going to be doing pretty good. Nope. Nope. Bitcoin was getting destroyed. And I know that means my Coinbase position is going to be getting destroyed. So it was hard for me to get out of bed, if I'm being honest. Got to muddle through the day. Uh-oh. Company-wide message at 6:30 in the morning. Someone's birthday. Today is your birthday. Yeah, so I was pretty bummed. Pretty bummed. Nasdaq down 46. The market's in shambles. I'm gonna spare you the sound effects, the submarine diving and the air horn. But the Nasdaq's down. E-mini S&P down 16. Like I said, Nasdaq now down 60. Down goes Fraser. Gold down 42. Uh-oh. Gold people are on um, a certain kind of watch. I don't want to say that watch word out loud. YouTube might censor me. Jason in the house. We are getting 10 toes down, destroyed right now, brother. Coinbase down 4. How are bonds doing? Bonds down 21 ticks. Bonds pushing 113.30, which is a couple of ticks away from 114. So, I mean, bonds are down, but they're not down. You know what I'm saying? Bonds go down, rates go up. Market does not like the fact that we're not going to even get rate cuts. Market was pricing that shit in. Let's see what's going on with Tesla. Tesla had a big day yesterday, but I think it's down today. Tesla down $5. Still doing pretty good at 188. I mean, considering we thought it was going sub 100. That's my time. You've been great. See what's going on in crypto. Bitcoin in a danger zone. We'll take a look at why. What bloop, 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 bloop. Why in a sec. Crypto bubbles. Lots of red. Also, lots of red on shit. I don't. Cartesia, isn't that one BitBoy used to schlep? This says pole, but it looks like Matic. Matic has two, Matic Polygon. That's weird. When bull run? Yeah, lots of weird shit on here. Bitcoin 61.2. It did push lower, not too much. That's a big fat red candle right there, guys. 64.6 all the way down to 67.53. Bitcoin did see sub 60 March about 8 weeks ago. So I don't know. This is definitely a nice little line of support. It looks like there's three, 4, 5 touches. And this is a line of ill repute. What does that mean? I've heard that expression before. Ill repute. Ill repute. The state of being held in low esteem. That doesn't make a lot of sense. I don't think this is its state of ill repute. It sounded cool. I'm in a state of ill repute. I'm in a state of being held. I have low esteem. I woke up and in a state of ill repute. No, bad reputation. No one trusts him. I don't trust Cardano. Cardano woke up in a state of. I'm kidding. We'll talk about my ongoing thoughts of Cardano. Cardano at 43 cents. It's in a state of panic. Panic at the Cardano. Ethereum, I think, was below 3K. Ethereum fell below 3K, but it's kind of at a state of support and resistance too. 3K makes sense. Nice round number. Celestia below 10. DYM at $3. Ugh. Stacks at 226. Stacks is looking kind of tasty. So tasty. I actually have a coin that I think is a really good safe. As safe as crypto gets. 4 or 5x. I know it's not as exciting as your 1,000x's, your 100x's, your 10,000x's, your million x's. But if I knew that I could get a 4 or 5x, I would pump my life into it. I would pump everything I had into it. Guaranteed? Are you kidding me? You can have a guaranteed 5x or, what percent chance at a 10x? A 30% chance at a 10x? Which one do you take? 100% 5x or 30% chance 10x? I take the 5x. Anyone guess what my almost guaranteed, not financial advice, 4 to 5x coin is? No one will get it. I promise you. You're not going to guess it, bitch. Solana, it's not Solana, $128. It's down. I mean, everything's down big, bad. Solana down bad. Solana, Ondo, no. I'm obviously, not obviously. I've said a lot recently. I have Ondo FOMO. I was thinking this morning, like, is Ondo at risk of being attacked by the SEC? That's a good question. The United States government, they do treasury bonds. What does the United States think about that? Common sense or someone with any kind of brains would say, anyone with 10 ounces of brains, as old Tin Cup would say, is the United States government should love Ondo. Why is that, Tom? Well, because Ondo does treasuries, which means look, people will buy Ondo. I don't know if Ondo, like you put the money in Ondo and Ondo buys the treasury. I'm assuming that's what happens. That's good for the United States government. They should be sucking. They should be chortling on those balls. But it's I do have I like Ondo, but it's not Ondo. I don't know that Ondo's a guaranteed 4 to 5x. It's a it's one of those could get you a 10x, but this is like it's not Ondo's not as safe as the coin I'm talking about. It's not Cardano either. You're not gonna guess it, bitch. All right, Ergo $1.20. I haven't paid attention to Ergo in a while. Ergo's down bad. It's all highs recently as 270. Is this a good buy? I mean, this has outperformed Cardano by a mile. 200%. It's currently, well, now it's only at 50%. But that being said, I don't know that Cardano's up much more. 78. I saw one person on Twitter say Cardano's one cycle behind Ethereum. Which pace or like which road is it gonna follow? Explode this year or just be like XRP, not do shit last bull run? Is that true? I don't know that XRP didn't do shit. It went from 20 cents to $2. I'll take a 10x, bro. A $4.30 Cardano. I'm happy with that. I'm not even gonna lie. Not even gonna lie. I will be relieved. Charles had a video this morning talking about when he's gonna be on Joe Rogan. I got news for you, buddy. You'll be on Joe Rogan only and if Joe Rogan wants you on there. Now, right now, you're not even on his radar. But he did do a lot of talking about why he's not on any podcasts. I agree with him. He has a good plan. There's not much to talk about right now, so he's gonna start doing the podcast circuit when there's things to talk about. Bull market shit that's happening on Cardano, the governance, and midnight, and they got some stuff. Here's the hopium for you: the Cardano hopium, the Cardano speech. I do think a lot of things are coming. There is a lot of fun in the Twitter community and people, a lot of fudding in Cardano in general, and it is kind of making its way down the ranks. I'm a victim of it. I don't just sit there and listen to what people have to say on Twitter. I just, I evaluate it myself, like what's going on with Cardano, and not a whole lot. A lot of promises. A lot of promises with Mahan. A lot of promises with USDA. USDA swirling back up. Big news supposedly coming in the next couple weeks on USDA. Allegedly, supposedly. Mahan still been a massive disappointment. Speaking of which, I wonder how my Mahan video did. How many dislikes I got for being a dick to Mahan. You can see the Cardano titles bring all the boys to the yard. Is Mahan is Mahan a massive failure? 57.1% like ratio. That tells me I got like 7 dislikes, 8 likes, 7 dislikes. No comments though. So I guess. Any comments? Not gonna tell me. Imagine being in crypto and telling your friends to buy ADA or XRP. Laugh out loud. KC to 3P. Hell yeah, brother. Mizzou made 70. Heard a quote from Soul Man who said, when you reach 100 years of age, you realize how young you were in your 80s. You are a baby. Hopefully, yep. I'll give that a heart. Imagine, I'm gonna give that one a thumbs down. I think that's the first thumbs down I've ever given to a comment. Kerbrack. Are they mad because I put a clown face on the Mahan CEO? That guy hasn't done shit for me lately. Like Janet Jackson says, what have you done for me lately, bitch? No audio, it's low volume. This Cardano is just what the doctor ordered. No audio, low volume. Let's see if this is true. You guys hear me just fine? I find this hard to believe. I think the problem might be on your end, buddy. Ugh. I mean, to be fair, I can barely hear that. Maybe I did have a low audio day and didn't notice. What the? I'm being foisted. All right, we're going to do this a little bit smarter. Foisted by my own petard. Is that how the expression? I think the volume's fine, bitch. I'm tired in this video too. That seems to be an ongoing theme. My sleep all out of whack. Ding, 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 ding. A ding, a ding, ding. The markets were up pretty big this morning on some PCE news. Looks like it's cooling off a little. That's the stock market. Stack market. Crypto, on the other hand. All right, so you mean S&P up 30, Nasdaq up 150. It does seem kind of low. Silver up 19 cents. Profit. Loud and clear. Wait. Well, I have the patience to wait. You remember this video being low? Protests on college campus. Yeah, I've seen that. I've seen even like I saw snipers were posted up at a few universities. Is that like police snipers? The youngsters are pissed. I mean, it's whatever popular consensus is. I don't know. It doesn't seem that bad. So eventually, let me compare it to. It's possible I had my shit down. I'm not even gonna lie. Seems same. I'm not even gonna lie. I will be. Who's this sexy mofo? Charles had a video this morning talking about when he's gonna be on Joe Rogan. My laugh. My laugh. All right. Let's get back to. Let's see what's going on in the Cardano ecosystem. Ooh, not good. Snack still above my buy. I bought some MinSwap. That's looking cheap. Kurt, you out there, Kurt? You bought MinSwap yet, bitch? Jason told me MinSwap's going to $8. I'm starting to doubt that freaking call. I'll take $1 MinSwap, bro. $1 MinSwap will make me happy as shit. I'm not gonna lie. 10 cent. What do we need? We need like a 10-cent snack. Lots of red over here. World Mobile Token down 15% for the week. Still up 41% for the month. Book getting destroyed. Book's still cooking. I mean, I'm still up on my book and I'm still earning book. So we got a long, like these coins, to be fair, if Cardano does well, these coins are going to do spectacular in a bull run. That's a big if. IUSD almost back to peg. That seems to kind of come in line though. If Cardano starts pumping again, I'll be curious to see if any of the new changes will help, or if this thing will get destroyed again. Maybe I should go out and borrow some more IUSD and buy some more ADA. Or borrow some IUSD and then go buy some snack. Now we're cooking. This YOLO Dolo. NVL. What's NVL? It says DPIN. I never heard of this one. Anyone? Everything going to zero. NVL on Cardano. Tap in with tap tools. Token Spotlight, NVL. And DPIN aggregator? What does that even mean? This looks stupid. 21 million tokens, blah, blah, blah. Well, blah, blah, revenue. Yeah, it looks stupid. All right, Bitcoin below 61,000 again. Coinbase down $6. AMD down 12 cents. Bitcoin danger zone. Danger zone. The Bitcoin danger zone. The Bitcoin pre-halving danger zone, orange, is where historical pre-halving retraces have begun. Where's the halving? This happened after the halving, didn't it? Oh, pre-halving danger zone is this yellow, orange. That looks more orange than this. Or no, I don't know. Yeah, this is orange. This cycle was no different, and here's why. Because Bitcoin experienced its first 18% pre-halving retrace approximately 30 days before the halving. 30 days before the halving would have put us, yeah, I mean, March 24th, 26 days, 27, 28, 20, yeah, I mean, 26 days before. It's currently in a, I mean, it has a nice little pump up, but it's in a 17, 18%. It says 18%. History repeated in that respect. In fact, in 2016, Bitcoin began its pre-halving retrace 28 days before. Oh, this says 14 to 28. Oh, wait. So it was like 26. This it was 30 days before the halving. This 2024 closely mirrored 2016, which is why perhaps worth looking at a possible post-halving danger zone, purple. So we're in the purple, and there might be a fat dump, fat shakeout, a fat wick, and then off to the races. How long does this last? This lasts till like July. Someone guessed yesterday, predicted. We're going to start moving. We're going to start cooking in July. We're going to get the Mike Tyson, Logan Paul, is it Jake Paul fight, and a Bitcoin bull run is going to start. Apparently, that Hong Kong ETF was a shooting launch. Was a shitting launch? Was a they all I don't know what you're trying to say, but the Hong Kong ETF was supposed to bring like 300 million in volume, and it's brought like 11 million. Oh, a shitty launch. Yeah, it was a shitty launch. They got to Australia, some shit. We got 8 people in the house and one like. I got low dick energy this morning, so I'm gonna allow the low like energy. But maybe if you start hitting the like button, I'll get some big dick energy. In 2016, Bitcoin produced a long 11% downside wick, approximately 21 days. After the halving, before reversing towards the upside. Bitcoin is currently 11 days after the halving. So we do have a big down candle. Is tomorrow the start? Let's see, downside volatility around the reaccumulation green horizontal level. So we're at the accumulation level. It could occur over the next coming 10 days, purple zone. The purple post-halving danger zone ends in 10 days, but 2016 history suggests that in the meantime, downside volatility at the 60.6 range low is a possibility. Okay. Is this 5 days? 15 hour? Ricky in the house. How you doing, brother? All right, we're in a danger zone, guys, but it should be over shortly. I post. Oh, just in, SEC has been investigating Ethereum since March 2023. Bitcoin has dropped right into the range low area of its current reaccumulation range. In the 3 weeks after the 2016, it's just like the same post as earlier with just fewer words. So we produced the downside wick. This was in 2016. Bitcoin was like $900. BTC has finally reached the pool of liquidity that has prompted rebounds over the past several weeks. What does that mean? Oh. So it's reached an area where in the past it's rebounded, I guess. That doesn't mean shit. 30% dips are normal. So we can have a decent down to 50,000 is not out of the question. We are still in the bull flag though. And we're at support. We'll see. It's looking pretty dicey though in crypto. Poll time. We haven't done this poll in a while. How we feeling over next 30 days? Bearish? Bullish? All right, that's it, man. Boring ass crypto. Can't wait to sell. It's my belief. It's my belief we have bottomed for the alts. It's my belief. Where'd this guy learn English? He's constantly trying to put his dick on the table on Twitter. It's my belief, it's my belief we have bottomed for the alts. Sentiment's dead. I love it. So he's bullish. That's a good post. At the top, remember who was warning you? Yeah, okay, dude. You can only pick two. Oh, these posts have been fully. I've seen a lot of these recently. I hate these posts. Saw Mike Alfred do one earlier. It's engagement farming, in my opinion. Ban them. You can only pick two. No mortgage. Well, we know. JT's going to pick that one. Fully funded college education, meh. Guaranteed job security for life, and 10K a month for life. This isn't even a tough question, bro. No mortgage and 10K a month for life. Why don't you not ask a stupid question? Who would choose guaranteed job security for life if you could get 10K for life a month? I don't even make 10K a month now, and I have a good paying job, bitch. Benzinga, you're a dumbass. This photograph of Kurt Cobain in tears has been extensively published. Tilt and watch Cobain smash his guitar through an amplifier. This guy was a troubled man. I mean, he was doing a lot of drugs. Dumb tweet muted. Let's see what Nick Guthealth has to say. Oh, I need to go do my blood labs. What blood test does he say to get? God damn it. I'll do that tomorrow. He doesn't even tell us what blood test to get. 8 tests that will help. Comprehensive nutrient panel. I didn't know that was a thing. Nice blurry picture. These all get checked. Nutrient deficiency. I get my vitamin B12, folate. I don't know about some of the other ones. Certain deficiencies can also blah blah. SIBO breath test. I don't know what SIBO is, but I had a breath test for some shit. I forget what it was called. Something Astoria or some shit like that. Pylori. Yeah, pylori. H. pylori. I did not have it. Spiral bacterium that can cause a bunch of problems. If you're young, dumb, and full of bubble gum, I don't care what age you are, 18, 25, 30, 35, get blood tests. If you're the younger you are, the better. Get a full panel. If you have health care, tell your doctor to run the fucking table on blood tests so that you have baselines. And you know, that shit'll be digital. You can go back to it. You can look at it. Be a technician. If you're one of those people, my body's my temple, but you don't have all your blood tests, you're a rookie. Bush League, bitch. Before they're digested, hormone and lipid panels. I got Micah. Let's see. Introduce homocysteine testing. It can cause like colon cancer or dementia. Leaky gut. Ferritin testing. Like a ferritin cage. I don't know about all these tests, bro. Permeability assessment. I'm going to go to my doctor and tell him to read this tweet and say, I want that. Organic acid test. I need to. Oh, you know what I was thinking? Retro in the house. I was thinking Retro is probably going to show up today because the market's tanking. He always shows up when the market's tanking. Have you had a full blood test done yet, Retro? 2 likes, man. Then low dick energy on the likes. Have you jo- Jonathan in the house? How you doing, brother? Retro, have you had your blood? Have you had full blood test done? Like the whole gambit? Do you have your baselines, your testosterones, your lipid panels, your CB whatever? You haven't been to the doctor. You need to go. You. I know you have health care. Yeah, Jonathan, we got to continue to work, bitch. Go get your blood test. Is this stream buffering? I don't know. It looks good on my end. I'm not seeing it. It says excellent, excellent condition. Retro, do me a favor and go get blood test. Your liver enzymes, your hormones, your lipids, your vitamin levels, all that shit. Your create your kidneys. Get baselines, and you should have them checked at least once a year. At your age, once a year, just get baselines. You can see how all that fast food is destroying your gut. I'm going to do a channel pivot. We're going to stop talking about crypto. Just in China, ETF took 121 million. Ooh, maybe it's not a shitty launch. Clover nodes went around Europe and used World Mobile Token. Looked like it was a pleasurable experience. Who was the first DEX aggregator to successfully execute a Sunday version 3 swap? Oh, who will be? Probably Dex Hunter. I don't know. I can't be arsed, to be honest. I can't be arsed to be. What does that mean? Patrick Mahomes is now in wrestling. Now, am I buffering now? No. Like I'm trying to do something. It might just be YouTube. There we go. I wanted to see if I had a copyright strike yesterday. Not yet. That could have been Kevin Wilds. I love Kevin Wilds. What's his phone number? Oh, I would call Kevin Wilds right now if I knew his phone number. I can't be arsed to be. What does that mean, Retro? Did you already leave? You dick. Kelsey got a contract extension. It's the highest paid tight end. No, I didn't do this. You asked me that too many times. Bro, what? I don't know if my internet, but try canceling out and coming back. Are you watching on your phone? Do that move where you close it and come back. Or get off your shitty Wi-Fi. But I can't be arse, to be honest. What does that mean, bro? Some solo miner mined a block worth 3.43 Bitcoin. Holy shit, bro. The odds of that happening are around 1 in 5,000. That's not that bad. That's nothing. Well, how many things out there is there a 1 in 5,000 chance of making $218,000? Oh, I think CZ's getting sentenced today, isn't he? A lot of people were saying he should get no jail time. Not really sure what he did to get jail time, but as a lot of people were saying in the comments, it's nothing like what Jamie Dimon did and all these other scummy banks have done for decades, especially the great financial crisis. The way, like Goldman Sachs, everyone on Goldman Sachs should have been thrown in prison. We're bearish. You guys, ooh. Initially, oh, well, initially I gravitated towards the glasses, but AOC is fine as shit. This has to be AI generated. Oh, yeah, AI generated. Um, she's got I like her face is more round and pleasing. But then you'd have to listen to her. And I don't dislike AOC, but she's a talker, bro. She's making me thirsty. I guess we're never gonna know what Retro was fucking saying. Get off that. Get off your neighbor's Wi-Fi. I've never. You've never. I can't. Okay, what the fuck is going on with your guys' internet today? Why do you have to say that 37 million times, Ricky? I can't be arsed either. I don't know what that means. I still can't get over this picture. Is that supposed to be someone famous? You look like one of the founding members of Nucleus. What's going on here? I know that there's no way that could be you, right? This does look like something from the maybe 90s. All right, what were we doing? I forgot. We are Midnight Star. We're going to show you how to do it. Yes, we are. You one of the founding members. Oh, I was going to look this up. I can't be arsed. We're watching Crypto Dump. I can't be arsed. I've never heard this before in my life. My life! Oh, you can't be bothered? That's the dumbest expression. You're going to say I look like Don Cheadle? No, I mean, you look more like Herschel Walker. Is that who Herschel? That looks a little bit like Herschel Walker. If Herschel Walker and Randall Cunningham had a baby. One of the founding members of Nucleus, jam on it. You didn't know what I was talking about, did you? You look nothing like a member of Nucleus. Wait, I thought it would be funny to say that. Or like you were one of the founding members of Kid and Play, but didn't make it. They cut you before the first album. Let's see, Herschel. A little bit. Let's see, Randall Cunningham. No. A young Randall Cunningham. No, you look nothing like Randall Cunningham. Buddy Corey. He looks like you would be on. You know what you look like? You look like you'd be one of the basketball players on the White Shadow. Anyone remember that show? I think that was the name of it. You look like you could be one of the. Well, I mean, you look like you would fit in right there. Carver High. Come on. What basketball team would have three white dudes on it and an inner city? What city was this? Inner city basketball team. Yeah, I don't remember. Oh, Patrick Ewing. Yeah, that does look like. And that's Washington. That's who this is. Yeah, I knew it looked familiar. God damn, bro, Patrick Ewing. It looks like you could be on a player on the White Shadow. I couldn't place it, but that has to be it. That's definitely Patrick Ewing. Let's find Washington. Yeah. How did you find that picture? Is that not Patrick Ewing? Because you got. Oh no, I'm not sure that is. You do look like Patrick Ewing though. Yeah, I don't know, bro. We all look the same. Yeah, you were fishing for that one. I don't think you all look the same. Trying to get me in trouble. I mean, white. All races look the same from 10,000 feet. You know what I'm saying? White. Let's see. The boss has spoken. Let's see. The boss. That's Bruce Springsteen. Is that who he's talking about? Did Bruce Springsteen say something? No, Rick McCracken. He's not the boss. Howard Stern used to call. I used to listen to Howard Stern a lot. I don't remember him saying that. And he's the missing link for what? The New York Knicks? Is that what he meant? So I guess retro's gone. That sucks. Let's check in on crypto. Hopefully we got a little bounce. Nope. Do you guys give up on what coin I think is a good buy? Good 4 or 5x? Might be worth more now. Do I even have it on my chart? I might not. How's Jewel doing? How's Harmony One? Oh, Retro's back. Yeah, I can't be arse to reply to you. Go get your blood checked, bitch. Ondo. Let's see. ICP getting cheap again. Cheap-ish. XRP. Ugh. Man, there was a chance to buy XRP at 15 cents. None of those orders would have filled, I'm sure. Phantom, remember when people used to talk about Phantom? Harmony One? I don't think the coin I really like is on my list right now. I might have to add it. I think it's a really safe 4 to 5x. Safe, not financial advice. Where's On to PC? I think On to PC likes this coin. Oh, missing link. What a That's a racist AF comment, bro. Why are you so obsessed with blood checks? I'm not obsessed with them. I'm just trying to give you a cheat code to life. I'm trying to help you, brother. I'm trying to give you the crazy alpha. Go get your blood checked. Go get a baseline. Because I'm in a constant state of distress? Nah. I'm just trying to give you sage advice that I wish I did back when I was young. Shit, back when I was young, they didn't have, you could go get your blood checked, but it was nothing like it is now. You know what I'm saying? And you couldn't go check it on your computer and easily, and it was, you know what I'm saying? Now you can go get your, it's like getting your oil changed, bro. You go get your blood, all your blood tests done, and you know, like, you have markers to follow, all that. Like, it's your testosterone levels. You know what I'm saying? Like, you go get it checked, and if you see a gradual decline, maybe it'll kick you in the rear to not wait 20 years and it's too fucking late. Yeah, you're young, dumb, and full of. You think you can eat wolf down cheeseburgers your whole life and you'll just be fine. That's fine. I tried to help you. Enjoy these fleeting moments of fear, says Mike Alfred. Like getting your oil checked. Yeah, I mean, go get your blood check and then go get your fluids topped off at the local massage parlor. Well, I mean, you top her fluids off, or you top her off with fluids, something like that. Um, all right, let's check in on the coin. What? Oh, Litecoin. I think Litecoin's a really safe, solid, not financial advice, 4 to 5x coin. If you wanted a nice, safe play with a lot of upside, Litecoin. This thing's sitting at $80, and last bull market hit a high of $400. So it's a 5x away from hitting all-time highs again. It's just like Bitcoin. Supply and demand. This is Bitcoin's gold, Litecoin silver. Litecoin is a fork of Bitcoin. It's, I don't know like what upgrades and shit they're doing like Bitcoin. They probably don't have all that dumb shit like ordinals and layer twos. It's a nice solid, you know, it's 4 times the amount of supply, but like 1/50th of the market cap. It's not sexy, but you could get it 4 to 10x on this bitch. I think a 4 to 5x is almost guaranteed. Actually, it didn't get as high this last bull run as it did the bull run before. So I guess maybe not, but nothing's like, if Bitcoin goes up, this is gonna do well. You know what I'm saying? Again, it's a safe play. You want to, like, it's kind of like buying treasuries. You're gonna get your 5%. You're gonna get your 3 to 5x most likely. You know what I'm saying? It's not a bad play if you want a safe play. Like I've got some cash and I'm like, you know what? I just want to 3 to 5x my money. This probably ain't a bad play. Again, not sexy. But I don't know that Cardano has 10 to 20x upside, but it might not. I mean, a 5x is $2. I don't know that Cardano is going to hit $2 in the next bull run. It might be in its death rattle. I think there's a lot of good things coming, and I think Cardano will do just fine. Again, it's tough when a coin only has like a good 3 to 6 months in a 4-year period. So it's a lot of patiently waiting and a lot of putting up with it. But the bull run will happen, and Cardano will happen, and some things will be happening in Cardano that'll help it happen, and there'll be a squeeze and it'll pump, and we'll be able to exit on the dummies' faces. We looking at Litecoin, we in 2018. Again, Litecoin's a safe play that'll 4 to 5x, most likely. I'll take a safe 4 to 5x. Tell me that, look in your magic ball and say, hey, if you buy this coin now, it's going to 5x in the next year. And you can put your sell price at the exact 5x if you buy it at this price right now. I'd probably sell everything I owned and buy that. I'll take we're in this. Josh in the house. How you doing, brother? What's up with all the Charles drama on CT? Is this old news or am I just getting? I don't know. What's his drama recently? He did a video this morning. I listened to it. He's like, I don't understand these comments on Reddit. This toxicity on Reddit that I'm hard to listen to, and I'm egotistic. Dude, I like you, Charles, but sometimes you're hard to listen to and you're too egotistical. George would cancel me. Yeah, he hates Litecoin. Whatever. Oh, I haven't checked in on George. I meant to check in on him. Made me see if he did a Sunday walk video. I gotta pee, guys. I peed so many times last night. I'm talking like racehorse peeing. I can't wait to watch this with this Tosh. The Tosh show is a really good podcast on YouTube. What a wonderful guy. I was bummed they didn't play this song in the Fallout show. This is my favorite Fallout song. I'm as corny as Kansas in August. Oh, that's Cryptos RS2 where he goes. There we go. Will Bitcoin dump to this level? Dune. Huge turning point. This guy's getting 70K views. I'm getting 70. Hell, I'm not even getting 70. I don't think I got 70 views yesterday. I probably won't get 70 today. Oh, I put Cardano in the title. I'll probably get 70. And we're up to 5 likes. No, that was yesterday. We're only at 3 likes. 31 views yesterday. Why do I even get out of bed? I haven't checked my blood sugar in a while. You know, my poops have been pretty good lately. I ordered some chocolate covered almonds to treat myself last week, and they didn't have them in, so that she substituted these chocolate covered roasted espresso beans. I told her not to get them. She brought them anyway. Turns out they're delicious, and they help with the poopies. So now I want to order them again. But I don't think they have them in. I think it was like one of those just rare things they had in. Let's see. Walmart. Uh, reorder. It's not going to be one of my items. Chocolate covered espresso. Happy Bites. Dark chocolate. $8. Did I pay that much? Delivered today. This is 3 flavored coffee beans. So they don't have that one. 1 pound. $14. That's a different brand. Coppers. These things are expensive, dude. How does this work? Like, do they grind up the coffee beans? 16 ounces. How many ounces in a pound? How many? Is that 16 ounces in a pound? £1, $8. Milk chocolate, dark chocolate, and vanilla coated. It beats taking psyllium husk. Jabari in the house. How you doing, brother? He's saying someone in the ETH Foundation bribed the SEC. He said that on Twitter. When? What's on the watch list? Litecoin. You missed my Litecoin spiel. I think this is a solid 4 to 5x, practically guaranteed, and vastly undervalued. Like I said, 4 times as many coins as Bitcoin. Bitcoin market cap 1.19 billion. So Litecoin should be like 250 million, right? Because it's 4 times as many coins. The inverse market cap to coin. Where's Litecoin? Thought it was up here. Oh, here we go. It's got a less than 6 billion market cap. This hit a 25 billion market cap. It'll probably do it again. 4x. Saw it yesterday. Ten people in the house. What the hell? See, Charles in charge. I might. New foreman. Yeah, I've seen most of his tweets. I haven't seen. Maybe you're following a fake Charles Hoskinson. Mother of God. What a good movie. Look under replies. You find it. No, you can't. Look under replies. It's related to XRP. Whatever. Whatever. When Bitcoin rallied, blah, blah. This guy breaking Coinbase integrates the Bitcoin. Breaking news. Coinbase integrates the Lightning Network for 56 million users. Is that good for the price of Coinbase? Nope, not yet. Someone needs my help. Let's see. I'm on the DC. Tell them to make an appointment. Wait, what? People not giving an F? What are you talking about? At least yet? So Michael Saylor's happy, yeah. Tell them to make an appointment to what? Someone's asking for my help, guys. So never leave a soldier behind. So I'm gonna multitask. Mm-hmm. They need your help. Tell them to submit a ticket. Yeah, work related. Yep. Yep. There's a down server. Tom to the rescue. And I gotta pee, guys. I don't know if I can hold off my pee for 19 more minutes. What does this mean, though? How do you use the Lightning Network? I know there's some Lightning wallets, but I don't. Does it make sending Bitcoin cheap and fast? Is that helping the price of Bitcoin? A little bit. Bitcoin back over 61, ETH back over. We got a little bit of Coinbase. Uh-oh, market's starting to turn around. AMD at 161. I only need about $9 more, and we got 17 days to go. I need $30 on Coinbase. There's a chance. I mean, we got earnings on Thursday. If Bitcoin can get a turnaround, you know, that whole 10-day shit we were just talking about, that gives me about a week of breathing room. Well, Les is in the house. How you doing, brother? Morning. The top is in LOL. Is Lightning a side chain? Never. Yeah. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if Lightning's a side chain. I think it is. When they quoted Tom.
So you got a guy going door to door making rude comments to people.
Okay, what was he saying?
Still rude, right?
Is it appropriate? I want to know what he said, right?
Sure.
That's what I'm trying to figure out here. So what
Because
was,
she told
what
him
was
that
said?
we had a friend that does windows and stuff, and his comment was, "Oh yeah, was he as good looking as me?" That's not
That's
appropriate.
what you're upset about?
Yeah, I'm pretty fucking upset about that.
I've knocked enough doors in my day. This has
That's
never
awesome.
happened
You
before.
know, be having a talk with your employees for one.
Hard in the sun.
Business license or card?
I do.
Could I have one?
Nope. Give the cops a call and let them know that he asked your wife if the other window cleaner was as handsome as him. I'm sure the cops would have a good chuckle. I could literally go knock any one of these doors. You can shadow knock me. I'll make the same comment and they'll laugh. They'll say, wow, that was funny. You want to go? We'll go knock a door right now. I'll give my pitch right now. You want to see? We'll go. Let's go. Let's go take a look. You guys have the notepads out?
Okay, first of all, this is either Minnesota or Wisconsin, eh?
Okay, just checking. Just the good-looking guys in blue. I just came over. No worries. Have a great day, miss. Point proven, guys. Have a great day, gentlemen. Have a great day.
So you got a guy going
I don't see anything wrong with that saying, was he as good looking as me? It's a little bit on the fringe, but
door to door making rude comments to people.
Okay, what was he saying?
this guy's blowing it way out of proportion.
Rude, right?
Is it appropriate?
I want to know what he said, right? That's what I'm trying to figure out here. So what
Because
was,
she told
what
him
was
that
said?
we had a friend that does windows and stuff, and his comment was, "Oh yeah, was he as good looking as me?" That's not
That's what
appropriate.
you're upset about?
Pretty sure that's Wisconsin. I was a little bummed. I was excited. I thought you did another short. He's probably closeted. Closeted gay. Who wouldn't laugh? Yeah, I mean, he probably could have said it to me and I'd probably laugh. Yeah, of course he's jealous, bro. We need we need a night stream. Remember when I'll tell you what, man, my energy levels have been shit for a while, but I felt normal last night, so Adam took a nosedive. Farnswoggle P. Horsetooth's gonna be on suicide watch. Come to find out, I've been playing Rust with us. Yeah, Rust ruined my life. I had a lot of fun, but it definitely did not help my energy levels. I haven't been playing this week, and I felt good yesterday. I'm a little tired today. Adam, yeah. I mean, everything's taking a nosedive right now, bro. Solana's down. Stacks is down big. Everything's taking a nosedive. Cardano's taking a nosedive. Ethereum's down from 4,000, 4,100. The altar getting the Bitcoin dominance is got to be doing pretty good. Yeah, I mean, it's up 55%. It's above the line. It's above the trend line. Maybe this line should look more like, no, because that goes back to there. That goes back. I mean, we can maybe do something like this and make it, no. Yeah, that looks like a good line too. But, okay, guys, the dam's about to burst. Get a HGH pump. So much for the halving pump. Yeah. I mean, you got new all-time highs before the halving. The first time ever. The first time ever. Ooh, the poopy's coming. We might have some serious release. You expected this? Yeah, I kind of like I've mentioned it a couple times recently. I think we're going to spin sideways with downward pressure, slight downward pressure. I know one of these charts has it right here. This one right here is what I think. And then eventually back up. And I think July. Let's finish this bitch up. This one right here is what I think is going to happen. Continue to maybe go down to 58, maybe. Maybe we just spin like this and that. But this is what I expect. I don't expect it to skyrocket or go down big anytime in the next 2 to 3 months, but I could be wrong. You never know. I mean, there's catalysts that could happen and make either happen. Like major war breaks out. That's probably not going to be good for the price of the markets, Bitcoin or stocks like Israel and Iran and Lebanon and everyone in the Middle East and Western Europe just go ape shit fighting each other and then draw us in World War III. It's probably not going to be good initially. It's probably going to be a huge buying opportunity. How is crypto? Like, even if the stock market tanks, I think crypto is going to do really well over the next 12 to 18 months. I don't know the exact timeline, regardless of what's going on in the world, but it could hinder how much it goes up. I often talk about how important liquidity is. There's a lot more liquidity in Bitcoin, a lot more. Well, with that means less volatility, and less volatility means maybe not as much upside. Maybe Bitcoin only gets to 80, 90K. And then maybe the alt rally after is, quite lackluster, but still good gains. I'm hoping for a nice, if I could get a 3 to 5x on my portfolio, I'd be pretty happy. A good 5x would make me really happy. 5x plus, and then get out and reassess. I've told you numerous times, I'm going to do a lot of option trading in the next crypto bear market. I'm going to reset. I don't even want to talk about crypto for months. We'll take a look, see, we'll check in. Hey, how's Bitcoin doing? But who gives a shit about all the narratives in the news, right? We'll talk about when it's a time to buy. And we'll consider what to buy. I'm sure some of the narratives will be out there. AI is still probably going to be pretty big. And RWAs is probably going to be the biggest thing out there. Video games, unless there's some AAA studios. I don't even know that crypto makes a lot of sense for a lot of the narratives that we've had in the past, gaming included. It makes some sense. Like, I don't know about having a cryptocurrency in game, but having NFTs in game can make sense. Done the right way, I guess. But is it necessary? That shit's going to change drastically. Like $70,000 NFTs on some dumbass game over on Harmony One? That made no sense. We were a bunch of idiots. I should have sold. We should have taken the same path Rex did, sold our Gen Zeros and bought a house, bought a farm. A lot of gamers don't like the idea of currencies, only if you're able to earn it in game. Yeah, play to earn, all that bullshit. I'm ready for alt season. Oh my goodness, you have no idea. I'm so ready. Man, I need one of these. 95 cents? Jason, you have one of these in your bed? I wonder how many years out before I have one of these in my bed. There's going to be some like accidents though, right? I had to use one of these when I was in the hospital. It sucked. It didn't suck and it sucked, you know what I'm saying? Cuz I was kind of in like general pop. I was in Gen Pop in the hospital. There was a lot of nurses walking around. I felt like I was whipping my pee out, and I could have been gotten a sex offender. Could have had the police arrested me as a sex offender. Ooh, Bitcoin's moving a little bit. 61.4. I take it camping. You just don't pee in the. Why would? Oh, so you don't have to get out of the tent at night? That makes sense. But during the day, you just whip it out and pee on a tree, right? I might have to pee in my Polar. Elderly, ugh. This is not some shit I want to be looking at, bro. What the hell's wrong with you people? Oh, oh. Did you guys go out and view the morning sun this morning? Set your circadian rhythm. One thing I haven't been doing is watch the sun go down at night. Xavier Worthy has comparable stats to Marvin Harrison, the #1 wide receiver. I like that. What's that guy from LSU? Malik? What's his name? I think he's going to be better. Oh, he went to the Giants, so I take that back. What's the best meme coin of 2024? Cryptos R Us is always posting these dumb tweets for engagement. He gets money, guys. If you post below him, he gets ads and money. Of course, he's just gonna schlep garbage. Picked up a new NFT. You can't make this up. I love that expression. Don't forget we are where we are. Orange circle. It's coming, guys. Here it comes. Good morning to everyone that holds ADA. Good morning. Crypto buy zone, regulatory FUD, altcoins down, macro FUD, Bitcoin near key support, timeline toxic. Yep, all that is kind of happening. I don't know about timeline toxic. This is, oh yeah, Solana. We got Rick McCracken telling people to stop shitting on other chains, which I agree with, but then you got Steak with Pride. He's constantly shitting on other, always, anytime he can throw something negative against, like, especially Solana, he's doing it. He needs to cut that shit out. It's a bad look, bro. You shouldn't be toxic about other chains. Worthy has already got the brand. Oh, Xavier? Oh, that's dope. He got a KC Chief. I mean, he got drafted by them, so man, that dude's tatted up. Big dog gonna eat. When you invest in Ben and Bro, you're investing in me, really. Over time, it's a sure bet, unless I get killed. Anyone investing in Ben and Bro? Who would, in their right mind, would invest in this idiot? $15-year-old Mike Tyson, yeah, you know what else Mike Tyson has some videos of? Towards the end of his career is glass jaw and getting knocked out himself. So I'm curious to see that. Glass jaw probably still exists. This fight, man, who's going to win? Jake Paul or Mike Tyson? A lot of people think Mike Tyson's going to kill him based off recent videos, but Jake Paul's not a bad boxer. and he's got a heavy punch. He lands a punch on Tyson's jaw. It could be over. And trust me, I do not want Jake Paul to win. What if we just chill here for the 2 months? I already predicted that. Dave and Buster's to allow customers to bet on arcade games? What? That's kind of cool. Kansas City signed the greatest tight end ever to a new contract. What say you, Ricky? Hangover stack, 500 milligrams DHM, number one hangover tool. 500 grams of milk thistle. I'm allergic to that. 200 milligrams of L-theanine. 100 milligrams of SAG. 200 milligrams of ginger extract. Yeah, that's a good one. 500 milligrams of Reishi. Never heard of that. Some kind of electrolyte. 10 drinks feel like 2 the next day. There you go, guys. You want a hangover cure? Seems pretty expensive, but hangovers suck. That day of the hangover, you'd pay $100 to get rid of it. You think Taylor Swift and you think T Swift and TK are gonna get married? Oh, and we're now 50-50. 10 votes. There better be 10 likes. Six likes. I'll take it. All right, guys. It's 8 o'clock. I gotta pee. It's a money grab. F-Bit Boy, Shib. Just tape it on. Oh, yeah. I agree, F-Bit Boy. It's a money grab. The fix is in. These guys are going to make it. Yeah. Comes off a little recency bias. What does? He's got a once in generational QB. Travis Kelce? Yeah. But I could argue Patrick Mahomes has a once in a generation tight end. How many people said Jerry Rice had a once in a generation QB? Or that Joe Montana, I'm sure a few people said it, but that's kind of like you have great players. Travis Kelce was great before Patrick Mahomes was there. And then you just pair up one of the greatest tight ends of all time with one of the greatest quarterbacks of all time. Facts are facts. You know, when I think we looked at it yesterday, Patrick Mahomes was given no chance to make it into the NFL when he got drafted. Anyway, guys, that's my time. You've been great. Let's wrap this bitch up. I may not make it to the bathroom in time. Coinbase down $6. It's the only thing I give a shit about. Tesla down 9. Bitcoin 61.3 trying to make a comeback. I mean, last night I was excited that it was at 64.5. So Ethereum over 3 grand. Cardano at 43 cents. Litecoin is my play of the day. Ricky wants night streams. I'm not gonna night stream tonight unless I get 50 likes. If I get 50, I'll tell you what, Ricky. If I get 50 likes, I will stream tonight. And trust me, I'm looking forward to watching the next episode of The Rookie. LTC, as Josh says. Anyway, it's Tuesday. It's Taco Tuesday. Hell yeah, guys. Taco Tuesday. All right, you all have a great day.